Hello, it's Booyah and welcome back to my channel. Last week I tested out how many applications we can get from a Caroline Melted Metallic Liquid Lipstick. The link will be here for that video. In this video, I'm gonna test out how many applications we're gonna get from Before we test this out, let's go through the product details that we'll be needing for computations later. The Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipstick contains 3 ml or 0.10 fluid ounces. It expires 24 months after opening and it costs 195 pesos. The Vice Cosmetics Matte Phenomenal Liquid Lipsticks have a very similar pricing as the Caroline's liquid lipsticks. So after we do all the computations, we are gonna compare the two products. By the way, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my channel. If the subscribe tab is still red, then please do click it. And of course, please follow me on my Instagram account. It's @makeupbybooyah. Like what I did in my previous video, I'm gonna use a click counter app. This is to help me keep up with how many applications I've already applied on my lips. Just a little update, I'm still on my 3rd application, but my lips already feel like it's being compressed. I'm still on the 3rd application, it already feels tight. But I must say, I really love the shade of this liquid lipstick. I'm really into very good shades of red, and this one, I'm loving this so much. Finally, I'm on my 10th application. So this is what the 10th application looks like. And another update, whenever I get a product from this container, it doesn't seem to have a decent amount of product for our 10th application. Remember, this is only our 10th application and it doesn't have enough product in it already. So this is what my lips look like on the 10th application. It's already crumbling. I'm on my 30th application already. I'm really stretching out this product as much as I can. And it's a little bit of a bummer because I already have that feeling that I have to stretch this one out because it's still the 30th application. And I really want to reach 100, but I don't think that we'll be able to, but we'll see because I wanted to do more. I really do. And also the liquid lipstick is already crumbling. Maybe it's because this one is fast drying. Even though we're still on our 30th application, it already feels chippy and crumbly, and it's all over my lips already, and on my teeth. Actually, it's all over my teeth. So this is what my lips look like on the 30th application. I should have gotten a close-up of the Caroline one so that you will be able to have a comparison between the two. Quick update guys, I'm already on my 40th application. Kind of a meh lang kasi we're still on our 40th application and I'm already scooping out the liquid lipstick from the container. That is my quick update. Now let's proceed to our 50 more, hopefully, applications. Quick update guys, I'm on my 50th application and I want to do a close-up of the container so that you'll see that it's kind of empty now. We're still on our 50th application, but this is what the container already looks like. It's already running out of product inside. I really want this to reach 100 applications, but again guys, we're already running out of products. You know what? I'm just gonna remove the flakes off because it's so hard to apply liquid lipsticks with these flakes just chipping off. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna take this off and apply the remaining liquid lipsticks in this container. My lips are now bare and fresh, and I'm ready to go and continue the test. And I'm now on my 60th application, and I'm really barely getting any product. So I'm on my 61st application, and again guys, I'm barely getting any product. So I want to know if the remaining products that I'm gonna really stretch out, I want to know if they can still cover my whole lip. So I'm gonna remove this again so that I'll be able to see clearly if it can still cover. So my lips are bare again, so I'm gonna give this one more try. But before we do that, I'm gonna just show you a quick close-up so that you'll see how empty it is inside. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. There's barely any product inside. And so that is it, guys. I can't do any more applications because it is so empty. So this is what the container looks like inside on our 64th application. So the total applications that I got from this Vice Cosmetics Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipstick are 64 applications. There you go. Now we're ready to do our computation. The Vice Cosmetics Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipsticks expires 24 months after opening, but since it only has roughly 64 applications, if you use it every day, it will only last you for 2 months. The product only contains 3 ml and you only get 64 applications. And the price of the Vice Cosmetics Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipstick is 195 pesos. So when you divide it to 64 applications, every application that you do is 3 pesos. And that is quite big if you compare it to the Careline Melted Metallic Liquid Lipstick. And why am I comparing these two? Because they have the exact same pricing. So basically with that said, I want to know which product are we getting the most out of and which product are we saving more quaint, you know, because we got to save them quaint while still looking beautiful and fly. So I want to do some computation comparison between the Careline Melted Liquid Metallic Lipstick and the Vice Cosmetics Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipstick. If you apply the Vice Cosmetics Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipstick every day, it will last you for only 2 months. Whereas for Careline, if you apply it every day, it will last you for 5.6 months, or let's round it off to 6 months. So let's say Careline has the same volume as Vice Cosmetics. Careline's original volume is 5.5. So if we divide it by 2, we're gonna have 2.75 mils, and let's round that off to 3 mils. Since the volume has been divided to 2, let's also divide the application of Careline into 2. So 168 applications divided by 2 is equals to 84 applications. Careline still tops Vice Cosmetics with 20 applications more. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this test today and learned something. If you did, then please do like it and share this video. Also, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account. It's @makeupbybuya. If you have any more comments or suggestions, then please do comment down below what products you want me to test, what brands, but it has to be local. Just comment them down below. Just remember, no hate, just love.